So today episode on Monday. I have a question to you guys because I bought this trailer a couple months back from auction. Aye. Always your cry. So that was a $200 deal, and I thought it would be better, but you see what it is. And what I realized when this new generation trailer, they try to cut the costs. So how you can see, this is the C channel, we'll call, right? And it's supposed to be strong, right? It's gonna show you the difference between this good C channel and the C channel. This is the real C channel. It's molded, it's cast. It's not like a sheet of metal and just bent 90 degrees. So, and how you can see on the wheels, let me show you the better angle. That's some company logo, I don't know what it is. So I just want to show you the symmetrical way. See the tires? It's matching really. It's kind of a little bit offset. I don't know if this is DOT legal. So I have a question for you guys, what I should do with this project. Give up? Burn it? So I just wonder, this is the question for all of you, what I should do. I don't know, maybe use some material. That was my little plan. Use some of the material like axle and axles and the tires and the electric brakes, and build another one, or try to fix. See, there's another one. It's pretty badly. I don't know how you can see this on the wide angle right here. It's curved really bad. So yeah, let me know what do you guys think about this. Let me show you the front. This is real. Somebody has a bad day, and you know, and this kind of impact, it should be absorbed, right? But and another thing, what kind of paint is this? Who's painting like that? It just this is look like my white Chevy. Same thing. It just if somebody has those OCD, it can just peel this all over. Look at this. They're just, you know, I don't know, they're not mixing with the glue, that paint, or it's not enough adhesive, I would call. Oh yes, the paint doesn't want to really stick to it. Not enough prime. And I know that all of those company claim this is powder coated. Tell me how this is powder coated. Let me show you how it looks like under. Oh, I'm gonna get the different angle. So yeah, look at it under. Pretty good. Same thing. Look at this DOT lights. This peel off. Maybe that's a recall. Maybe we should call company. Maybe I still qualify for rust warranty. So I don't know. Yeah, so tell me what kind of idea you have, because oh, and this is 2014, I believe. if it's not newer. And it's 14 feet long. Look at this. I think from those angle line, I should do, I'm thinking maybe I would do the ski sleds maybe. Look at this. That's the powder coated, guys. So yeah, now you see the difference between the old style trailer from 1990s and this is the brand new generation. Yeah, look at this. This is the old Kaufman. It's a 14 feet, and of course it's 80,000 pounds. This is real C channel. That's how it looks like. This is the real C channel, not some kind of bullshit. You know, they have a nice fenders. Awesome fenders, brand new. Maybe I will use for something. And this is the C channel. Look at this. They invest pretty good money in the bending machine, press bend, to bend this kind of sheets, metal. Tell me, guys. I just I'm looking for some suggestion what I should do with it. And what do you guys want to see? Fix that trailer or build a new one with the parts, or you have maybe different ideas? Yeah, let me know. See ya.